Have you ever wondered why Chinese people migrated to Jamaica? It's one of those unexpected stories that starts with sugar and ends with supermarket chains. Picture this: Jamaica in the 1830s. Slavery is over, the plantations are in chaos, and the island's economy is teetering. The sugar barons, desperate for workers, looked far beyond Jamaica's shores, all the way to southern China. That's right, after the abolition of slavery in 1838, the British colonial powers turned to indentured labor, essentially a new labor system where workers would sign up for several years, working for wages, food, and a promise of a better life. The plan? Bring Chinese laborers to Jamaica to replace the freed Africans, who had left the plantations to build their own lives. From the 1850s, Chinese men, mostly from Guangdong and Fujian provinces, started arriving on Jamaican shores, with the hope of working hard and earning a living. But what they found wasn't exactly the paradise they were promised. Instead of prosperity, they were faced with brutal working conditions on sugar plantations, unfair contracts, and a life far from what they'd been sold. Here's where things get interesting. Many of these workers didn't just pack up and leave. Instead, they pivoted. Rather than toiling in the fields, they began setting up small businesses in the towns: grocery shops, bakeries, and restaurants. The Chinese Jamaican entrepreneurs you see today? That's where their roots lie. Fast forward to the late 1800s, and we see another wave of Chinese migration. This time, free immigrants coming with their families, looking for better opportunities. They quickly became integral to Jamaica's commercial landscape, bringing their entrepreneurial spirit and even influencing Jamaican culture along the way. Today, while the Chinese Jamaican community remains small, their impact is everywhere, from the corner shops to the boardrooms of big businesses. Their story is one of resilience, adaptation, and thriving in a land far from home. Now, next time you step into one of Jamaica's famous supermarkets, just think, it all started with a labor shortage and a ship full of hopeful Chinese workers. Please like, subscribe, and click the notification bell for more interesting facts in history. See you in the next video.